Gcse Mathematics 1 MA 2H, November 2017. Question number 1. 5x minus 6 is equal to 3x minus 1. We have to solve it, means we have to find the value of x. So 5x minus 6 is equal to 3 multiply x is 3x minus 3 multiply 1 is 3. Now these are the like terms, 5x and 3x, we put them on one side. So that is 5x, 3x will come this side, will become minus 3x. This is minus 3, 6 will come this side and will become plus 6. Now 5 minus 3 is 2x is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3. So x will be 3 over 2. Question number 2. Emily buys a pack of 12 bottles of water. The pack cost, so the cost price is 5.64 and the selling price is 12 bottles for 50 each. So 12 multiply 0.5, so that is this is 5.64 sterling pounds and this is 6 sterling pounds. So the profit is 6 minus 5.64, that is 0. So she makes a profit of 0.36. Now profit percentage. So the profit percentage is, that is profit divide by the cost price and multiply by 100. So whenever you have to profit percentage, profit divide by the cost price, that will be the profit percentage. So that is 0.36. Make sure both the units are, quantities are in same units. 0.36 over cost price is 5.64 multiply 100. So the profit percent is 6.38%. One decimal place, so it is equal to 6.3. This is bigger than 4, so we increase this. So answer is 6. Profit percent is 6.4. So Emily is making 6.4%. Question number 3. Hasmeet walks once around a circle with diameter 80 meters. There are 8 points equally spaced on the circumference of the circle. Find the distance Hasmeet walked between one point and the next point. So total distance traveled, that is pi d. So that is 80 pi is the distance traveled. Now there are 8 points equally spaced. So it's dividing it 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 points in a circle, so dividing this circumference into 8 equal parts. Find the distance Hasmeet walked between one point and the next point. So distance between A and B, or B and C, or C and or so on. So it will be 80 pi divided by 8. So that is 10 pi. That is 10 multiply 3.14. So that is 31.4 meters. So that is the distance covered from this point up to this point, or this point up to this point, or this point up to this point. So these are the distances. Now 4 of the points are moved. So B is near C, D is near E, F is near G, and H is near A. Hasmeet walks once round the circle again. Again she is walking. So she is walking again. Has the mean distance that Hasmeet walk between one point and the next point. Now it's asking about the mean distance. Has it changed? You must give your reason. Now the distance is same. That is 80 meters. No, not 80 meters. The distance is not 80 meter. The distance is 80 pi. That is 80 pi. And this is the first thing. And the second is, the answer is no. The distance is same. The number of points are same. Because everything is same, distance is same, number of points are same. So what is the mean distance from here to here divided by 2, here to here plus here to here divided by 2. So the distance remains same, the points remain same, so the mean distance is not going to change. Question number 4. There are only blue cubes, yellow cubes, and green. In a bag. There are twice as many blue cubes as yellow. Twice as many blue cubes as yellow. Suppose yellow is X. So twice as many blue cubes as yellow. So blue will be 2x. And 4 times as many green cubes as blue. So green cubes is 4 times as many as, so this multiply 4. So that is 8x cubes. Hannah has taken a random cube from the bag. Work out the probability that Hannah takes a yellow cube. So yellow is X, and total is 2x plus x plus 8x, that is x over 11x. So probability of getting yellow is this is 1 over 11. Question number 5. Rotate trapezium T 180 degree about the origin. Label the new trapezium A. This is a trapezium T. Now rotate 180 degree AB will be minus A minus B. So let's see the coordinate of T. Let's say these points are A, B, C and D. So A, B, C, D. The coordinate of A is 2 minus 2. Coordinate of B will be 5 minus 2. C is 4 minus 1 and D will be 2 and minus 1. So these are the coordinate of original figure, 2 and minus 1. Now if we rotate it 180, multiply x and y coordinate both by -1, means change the sign. So our new coordinates A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash will be minus 2 and 2, minus 5 and 2, minus 4 and 1 and minus 2 and 1. We have multiplied all by -1. So let's see the coordinate minus 2 and 2, minus 2 and 2, minus 5 and 2, minus 5 and 2, minus 4 and 1, minus 4 and 1, and minus 2 and 1, and minus 2 and 1. So if I join this, I'm getting this figure. Yes, you can see that this is 90 and 90, 180 degrees. So this is complete change in. So this is trapezium A. Now part B is translate trapezium T by the vector -3, -1. Now this is and this is part 2. Translate this trapezium by the vector -1 and 3. So first coordinates are 2 and -2. We translate it -1 and -3. So it will be so this is 1 and -5. This is 5 and -2, -1 -3. So it will be 5 minus 1 is 4 and this is -5. Next is C, 4 minus 1, -1 -3. So this will be equal to 4 minus 1 is 3 and this is -4. Then last we have 2 and -1. 2 minus 1, -1 -3. So that will 2 minus 1 is 1 and -4. So we have these coordinates 1 and -5, 1 and -5, 4 and -5, 4 and -5, 3 and -4, 3 and -4, 1 and -4, 1 and -4. So this is the transformation of the trapezium. -1 and 3. Label it as trapezium B. Question number 6. Find the value of x. P power 3 multiply p power x. When we multiply the numbers we add, so it will be 3 plus x, and this is equal to p power 9. So it means these two are equal. So we can write 3 plus x is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So the value of x is 6. Second part, 7 is to the power 2 is to the power y. Whenever a number is, the power is outside the bracket and inside the bracket, we multiply. So 7 is to the power 2y, and that is equal to 7 is to the power 10. Now the same thing, we compare this. 2y is equal to 10 because 7 is equal to 7. So we can write 2y is equal to 10. Divide both sides by 2. So 10 over 5 is 5. So y is equal to 5. 10 to the power a multiply 1000 is to the power. Now 100 to the power a multiply by 1000 to the power b. Now 100 is 10 to the power 2 is to the power a. In the same way, 1000 is 10 is to the power 3 is to the power b. When the power is inside the bracket and outside the bracket, you multiply. So 10 to the power 2a multiply 10 is to the power 3b. Now when the same number and we multiply, so it is 10 is to the power 2a plus 3b. Can be written in the form of 10 is to the power w. So it is equal to 10 is to the power w. So now if we compare, what we can see here is that w is equal to 2a plus 3b. You can write in all this comparing powers as base is same. When the base is same, that's why we can compare the powers. ABCD is a trapezium. It means this is parallel to this. Work out the size of angle ACDA. CDA. Find this. To find this triangle, if I draw a line here and I just talk about this triangle, so that is a triangle ABCDE. So let's talk about triangle CDE. This is 6 centimeter. CE is equal to 6 centimeter. We don't know this ED. If we know ED, then we'll know CD also. So then it will be easy to find this area. Now this is 10 So this is 10. So let's talk about this triangle. So in triangle AFB, this is opposite 90 degrees, the biggest side. So AB square is equal to BF square plus FA square. If you want to write this equation, you write. Otherwise, very simple method is AF square is equal to, because this is the longest side opposite 90 degree. So AF square is 7.5 square minus 6 square. That is a very simple method. So that is, so if you calculate, you will get 4.5 centimeter. So this is 4.5. So ED is equal to 24 minus 10 minus 4.5. So ED will be 9.5 centimeter. Now this is 9.5 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. So we have to find which angle? This angle. So we can say that 10 in the same triangle CDE, let's say it's 10 theta is equal to 6 over 9.5. So theta is equal to 10 inverse 6 over 9.5. So theta is equal to 32.27. But this is one place of decimal. This is 7, so it will increase by 1. So theta is equal to 32.3 degree. So that is the answer of this question. Question number 7. Use your calculator to work out this. This is very easy. You can find sine 25 plus sine 40, divide by sine 25 minus this, and whatever is the answer, you make the root of it. So you will get it 2.7560. So up to 2 places of decimal. So this is bigger, so 5 will increase by 1, so it will be 2.76. I don't think there's anything to do in this. Now question number 9. This is an interesting question. Yesterday it took 5 cleaners for 1.5 minutes. Nine over 2 hours. So it means total hours of labor. Each cleaner worked 9.5 hours. There are 5 cleaners, so it will be 5 multiply 9 over 2. That is 45 over 2 hours. Each cleaner is paid 820. So total money paid This is 22.5 hours and per hour is 8.20. So total money was paid sterling pound 147.6. 5 cleaners work 9.5 hours. So total number of hours what they work is 45 over 2, that is 22.5. For each hours they paid 8.20. For 22.5 hours they paid 47.6. Now the second condition is there are 3 cleaners. Now 3 cleaners clean all the rooms. How much will each be paid this time? So there are 3 cleaners. So total number of hours, they work for 22.5 hours. Now it is 3. And each paid so that is 7.5 hours. So each work for 7.5 hours and for each hour it is 8.20. 7.5 into 8.2. So that is so each is paid 61.5. Here is a part of distance time graph. This is distance and this is between which 2 times does the car travel at the. So timings are 0 to 20, 20 to 60 and 60 to 80. 60 to 80 is not covering any distance. From 20 to 60 it covered a distance of roughly 380 to 580, and from 0 to 20 it covered a distance of more than almost 380. So the answer is from 0 to 20. It covered maximum distance. Or you can say the slope is a high slope here. First reason, second reason. What is the greatest speed? So speed is equal to distance. This is 300, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 2. 2. This is 380, 360. So that is 360 divided by 20. So 360 divided by 20 is, that is 18 meter per second. That's all for today. Tomorrow we'll continue from question number 11 till the end of the paper. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel Maths Rag. If you have any question or any past paper which you want I walk through or solve it for you, please don't hesitate to send me a message. And those who have already sent me a message, just wait for a day or 2. I'm going to post the complete solved question paper.